Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to enable or disable pop-up ads on your Google Chrome. It's super easy, and it's for the Windows operating system. But first, tell me, what email do you use the most right now? I'd say most people say Gmail. Some people would say Hotmail. Put it in the comment section, and at the end, I'll tell you which email that I use. You probably have never heard of it. It was created like in the year 2000, 2001. And to give you a hint, they actually had free internet service through like dial-up. So I'll tell you that at the end of this video. Alright, so what you're going to do, in Google Chrome, you're going to go up here at the very top right and click on these three little dots up here next to your icon. You'll go down to Settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type in Advanced. And then under Advanced, you're going to go over here where it says Site Settings. And then you're going to scroll down. And you see way down here it says Pop-up and Redirects. You're going to click that. And then from here, these two right below here, it says Sites can send pop-ups and redirects. If you want to enable, that's what you'd click. To disable, you click that one. And that should do it. Okay. The email service that I use still to this day, stupidly, is NetZero. And yes, back in 2000, 2001, they actually gave away free internet service. That was kind of like their thing. And it's in dial-up. If you're old enough to remember, the dial-up was like, and it was like super slow. You could never download a video. It was pretty bad. But believe it or not, I was using that email so much back then, I still have that email. It's my #1 email. And I think they were bought out by Juno, and Juno owns it. But it's so bad that it runs out of space, and then I have to keep deleting stuff out of it every month so I have enough space to get more emails in. Alright, I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. And let me know. Put in the comment section. Alright, bye.